Although Brahma, Shiva, and Indra are the most learned authorities, they cannot ascertain the essence of Krishna's Murli, so they simply bow down their heads and hearts, which means when the demigods hear Krishna, when the devatas hear Krishna's flute, Brahma, Indra, Chandra, Shiva, Varun, they bow down their heads and they start going like this. And it's explained in some Puranas that when Krishna plays his flute, then Ananta Shesh, true to their nature, as all the big snakes and little snakes, when you play the music, and back to the Cobra theme, Ananta Shesh starts going back and forth. Just, oh, this is nice kirtan, this is nice music. Huh? Eyes closed, little smile, gentle smile, smita smile on your face. It's like, just nectar for the ears, Pivatam amritam, pivatam amritam. So, rasalayam, rasakarna alayam, whatever it is. So, not that Shesh is going back and forth. But this is a problem because the people in the universe, because Ananta Shesh is holding one universe on his hood, and people, they think it's pralaya, because he's very quiet, very steady, holding the universe. But in pralaya, he starts dancing, and Shiva starts dancing and expands himself. And there's a big fire coming out of Ananta Shesh's mouth, and it's a big wild scene.